Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at Scale City miniatures. And the first question says, in the scaled down replica, the length of the painting over the mantle is 1.5 inches or 1.5 inches. What is the length of the real size painting? And the ratio or the scale we're using is that 1:12 that they mentioned in the video. So in the miniature, it would be 1 inch. In real life, it would be 12 inches. It's a 1:12 ratio. So where would we put this 1.5? So is that the scale? Is that the miniature or is that the real one? Because that's going to help us decide whether we're going to put it up here or on the bottom. So let's read it again and make sure we're understanding it right. In the scaled down replica, the length of the painting over the mantle is 1.5 inches. So that's this thing right here. In the replica, 1.5 inches. So that means we're going to put it for the miniature one or the replica, 1.5 inches. And we're trying to find out what's the real painting, right? What's the length of the real size painting? So I just put a variable r for real. All right, so we have a couple options. One thing that you can realize is that if we multiply this by 1.5, we can do the same thing with the 12. 12 times 1.5 will give us the answer. Or we can use cross products. So if we use cross products, we're talking about 1 times r equals r. And this cross product would be 12 times 1.5. So I'm going to write the 1.5 as an improper fraction, just because it's easier to work with that way. And we would always do that anyway when we're multiplying, right? So this times this is 2 plus the 1 more is 3. So the only thing left we have to do here to figure out the actual real dimensions is let's simplify. We can divide by 2 and get 1, divide by 2 and get 6. So the only thing left you have to do is do 6 times 3, and you'll have your answer for number 1.